It's a very impressive system.
Yeah, did you learn a little bit?
Absolutely. I've
Cool.
been around boats since I'm 14 years old, and I'm more than 49 now. Actually, a lot more than 49. But it's an impressive system.
Okay, if you're on the water, you're allowed to exaggerate a little bit.
Exaggerate?
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
Okay.
So long there, buddy. Come on in. Come on.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Give me that white line.
No, but really.
So you like the Axius system?
Yes, very, very.
Yeah, makes it a little bit easier on you.
It takes the guesswork completely out of docking a boat.